Mr. Krabs, what do we do?
Here, use this!
Treasure! You will never again see the light of day!
This is no time to panic!
Start panicking!
And Squidward, I want you to have my can opener.
And I thought this friendship would never pay off.
Are you sure you want to give me this mayonnaise?
It's all yours.
But these old phone books?
All yours, old friend. Patrick, there is one more thing I want you to have.
Unreliable!
Howdy, y'all! Hey, SpongeBob, you having a garage sale?
No, Sandy, I'm giving up my material possessions to live in the wild with the jellyfish.
SpongeBob, of all the crazy schemes, why would you want to live among the jellyfish? They're cold and mean and none too bright.
Oh, Sandy, that's exactly the response I would expect from someone who lives the sham of a life I once lived. I'm gonna prove that I don't need all this stuff to be happy. Maybe someday you'll wise up and join me. Goodbye. I won't be needing these. Buzz, 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 buzz.
He took off his pants.
I'll give him a week.
I'll give him 11 minutes.
Patrick said!
He looked up. What was it?
That's the harp. How'd you get here?
I was kidnapped by that wicked giant.
Oh, a giant!
Patrick, what are you doing?
If I can't have you as a friend, I'm gonna make you a trophy. I even picked out this nice jar for you.
Patrick, go home. I'm a jellyfish now!
I can see you there. I still see you. You're gonna look good on my mantle. Friends forever, SpongeBob. I got you now, SpongeBob. Okay! So this is the way it's gonna be. I hope you're happy.
Well, that's over. Back to jellyfish matters. Jelly. Ah, my jellyfish brethren are returning. Greetings, comrades. Being a jellyfish sure is fun. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Hey! Ooh, I'm itchy. Itchy, why am I so itchy? Ah! Poison sea urchins! Oh, ow, itch, ow, ow, ooh, it, ow, ow, itch, ow, no, ooh, ow, 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 buzz, 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 buzz. Flounder patterns. Buzz, buzz. Sandy. Buzz, 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 buzz. What have I done? I had a great life and friends, and I gave all of that up.
Welcome home, SpongeBob!
You guys are the best. I made a huge mistake. Please forgive me.
Quit your blubbering and have a Krabby Patty.
Don't mind if I do.
And I'll see you at work first thing tomorrow morning.
Aye, aye, Captain.
SpongeBob, do us all a favor.
Don't mind if I do. Ta-da!
Okay, that's enough. Could we please stop this?
Patrick Itchy!
It is great